Today we have launched our Valencia support program through the LinkedIn and other social media tools. I hope you will all support it. Our farmers and the community in Valencia has really suffered in those floods. And sometimes when we get busy in our day-to-day lives, we forget that our stakeholders, our friends, our families across the globe, they have gone through some very difficult times. So it's kind of a reminder that finally, when we call ourselves a community, it's also important that we remember our friends. Plus, at the same time, today is the day. From today, it's exactly 4 weeks left for the BioAgTech World Congress in Delhi at Leela. And we have made our agenda balanced with regards to the networking at the same time also to make our content even go a notch up. So in the morning before lunch, we have dedicated time for the expo, as well as some specialized workshops. And in the afternoon, then we are doing our session where we are targeting each day a different theme. So if you have not registered yet, I think this is the time when you should really register quickly. And I think India being the biggest, most promising consumption hub as well as the innovation hub, this is the right place to be at the right time. So I really look forward to seeing you in India, and we will make sure that you have lots of networking, lots of fun, and a lot of knowledge gathering. Remember, this is the only event which is organized by the real professionals of the industry who have given their life to this industry for the farmers and for the soils and the plant. See you soon.